Let's take a look at the library catalog. We're here on the library's main page, and the button for the catalog is right up at the top. This is how you go about finding books, DVDs, ebooks, and e-videos. The catalog searches some of our databases. You'll see that list over here on the right side. But it's not the best way to go in and get articles. You'll want to go directly to the databases for that. Here our search is already set to keyword, but we could change that and set it to author, title, series, anything that we're interested in. I'm going to leave it on keyword for today. And I am going to search an author. I'm going to search for Shirley Jackson. I want books about her, not necessarily just the books that she wrote. So I'm leaving her as keyword. All right, and here are my results. We have a lot of results that are showing up, which is great. There's a lot of information on her. I'm seeing videos, books, encyclopedia articles, and articles. So some very interesting information over there. Here on the left-hand side, you're going to see the limiters. This is where we tell the database, the catalog, what we are looking for. So if we just want books, we can click books. And now we'll see a mix of ebooks and print books. If I just wanted to see one or the other, I could click on that. If I wanted to see something that was published more recently, I could click on last 5 years, last 25 years, or create my own date range. Let's go ahead and check out this first item on our list. So this is going to be a print book. We know because it says in big bold letters right here, and because it has a call number over here on the right. I see that it's available, so I could walk out to the bookshelves, go to the PS section, and I could find this book on the shelf and check it out. If I wasn't on campus, but I still wanted to check out the book, I could have a hold placed on it. I would click the place hold button and fill out the information, and it would be held for me for up to a week. So that makes things really easy. Let's take a look at one of the ebooks that we have. This one's going to be an ebook. And view ebook. And it's going to open up in the database where the ebook is, which this one is in info-based books. And it looks like it's the exact same book that we saw in print. Doesn't always happen, but when it does, very exciting, very useful, especially if you are at home or doing research off campus where you can't access the print book right away. So we can get in here and we can navigate through the chapters. And we can search for any keywords that we have. And it'll show you all the different times that keyword is used throughout the book. It even highlights your keyword for you to make sure that you are reading in the exact right spot. eBooks making it really easy to do research and find what you need. So that's the catalog. Again, it's good for searching for ebooks, e-videos, print books, and DVDs. You can find all kinds of great information in there.